If you're a nature lover, then you need to hear this. Welcome to the world of off-grid living. It's about independence, sustainability, and connecting with nature. Imagine a life free from the constraints of city living. Picture yourself generating your own power, sourcing your water, and growing your own food. This is the essence of off-grid living, a fulfilling and empowering lifestyle. This guide is your roadmap to navigating this thrilling adventure. We'll cover the essentials, from generating electricity to building an efficient home. You'll learn about finding the perfect location and managing your finances. We'll also explore the importance of community and the joys of a simpler life. Off-grid living is a journey of self-reliance and resilience. It's about taking control of your life and minimizing your environmental impact. This guide provides the knowledge and inspiration to begin your own off-grid adventure. Get ready to break free from conventional living and embrace a life of freedom and purpose. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive in and explore the wonders of off-grid living. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Electricity is essential for modern living, even off-grid. Fortunately, there are many ways to generate your own power sustainably. Solar panels are a popular choice, converting sunlight into electricity. Wind turbines harness wind energy to power your home. Another option is hydropower, using flowing water to generate electricity. Each power source has its pros and cons, depending on your location and energy needs. It's crucial to assess your energy consumption and choose the best solution for your off-grid setup. Consider a combination of power sources for a reliable and consistent supply. For example, solar panels can provide power during the day, while a wind turbine can supplement energy at night. Understanding your energy requirements is key to designing an effective off-grid power system. Remember that energy conservation is crucial in an off-grid setting. Use energy-efficient appliances and practice mindful consumption to maximize your power generation. By harnessing renewable energy sources, you can live comfortably and sustainably off the grid. Water is life, and securing a reliable water source is vital for off-grid living. Rainwater harvesting is a common method, collecting rainwater from rooftops and storing it in tanks. Wells provide access to groundwater, offering a consistent water supply. Consider natural water sources like springs or streams, but ensure they are safe for consumption. Water filtration and purification systems are essential to remove contaminants and ensure water purity. Understand your water needs for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. Efficient water management is crucial for off-grid living. Use water-saving appliances, practice water conservation techniques, and consider grey water recycling systems. By being mindful of your water usage, you can minimize your impact on the environment. Remember, water is a precious resource. By implementing sustainable water management practices, you can ensure a consistent and safe water supply for your off-grid home. Growing your own food is a rewarding aspect of off-grid living. It promotes self-sufficiency, reduces your environmental footprint, and provides fresh, healthy meals. Start by assessing your land and climate to determine suitable crops. Consider a permaculture approach, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem that mimics natural patterns. Vegetable gardens, fruit trees, and livestock can provide diverse and nutritious food sources. Learn about organic gardening practices to minimize your impact on the environment. Preserve your harvest through canning, drying, or freezing to ensure food security throughout the year. Composting food scraps and garden waste enriches the soil and reduces waste. By embracing sustainable food production, you can enjoy the bounty of your own harvest. Remember, growing your own food is a journey of learning and adaptation. Experiment with different techniques, connect with experienced gardeners, and celebrate the abundance of nature's gifts. Location is key finding your off-grid paradise. Choosing the right location is paramount for successful off-grid living. You'll want to consider factors like climate, access to resources, and legal regulations. A mild climate with ample sunshine is ideal for solar power, while windy areas are suitable for wind turbines. Access to water is crucial, whether through wells, springs, or rainwater harvesting. Being close to forests provides building materials and fuel for heating. It's important to research local zoning laws and building codes to ensure your off-grid plans are permissible. Consider also the remoteness of the location and its impact on your lifestyle. Do you prefer complete isolation or some connection to civilization? Assess your transportation needs and the availability of essential services like healthcare. Remember, the perfect off-grid location balances your desired level of seclusion with practical considerations. Thorough research and careful planning will help you find your ideal off-grid paradise. Building for efficiency homes designed for self-sufficiency. Building an off-grid home requires careful consideration of efficiency and sustainability. Choose building materials with good insulation properties to minimize energy consumption for heating and cooling. Passive solar design utilizes sunlight for natural heating and lighting. Consider composting toilets and grey water recycling systems to minimize environmental impact. Design the home with functionality and simplicity in mind. Prioritize essential spaces and avoid unnecessary complexities. Choose durable and low-maintenance materials to reduce long-term costs and environmental impact. Remember, an efficient off-grid home harmonizes with its surroundings, minimizes resource consumption, and provides a comfortable and sustainable living space. Counting the costs, financial planning for off-grid living. Off-grid living requires careful financial planning. While it can lead to long-term savings, initial setup costs can be significant. Factor in land acquisition, home construction, renewable energy systems, and water infrastructure. Create a detailed budget that includes ongoing expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Consider potential income sources such as selling surplus produce or offering off-grid workshops. Explore financing options and government incentives for renewable energy systems. Embrace a frugal mindset and prioritize essential expenses. Reduce reliance on consumer goods and explore DIY solutions. By being resourceful and adaptable, you can manage your finances effectively and achieve financial independence. Remember, financial planning is an ongoing process. Regularly review your budget, adjust your spending habits, and seek opportunities to generate income. With sound financial management, off-grid living can be both affordable and rewarding. Community matters: finding like-minded individuals. While off-grid living emphasizes self-reliance, community plays a vital role. Connecting with like-minded individuals provides support, shared knowledge, and a sense of belonging. Seek out off-grid communities, online forums, and local workshops. Engage with experienced off-gridders to learn from their experiences and seek advice. Share your own knowledge and skills to foster a collaborative environment. Participate in community events and gatherings to build relationships and strengthen bonds. Community support can be invaluable during challenging times. Neighbors can assist with repairs, share resources, and provide emotional encouragement. By embracing community, you can enhance your off-grid experience and create lasting connections. Remember, off-grid living doesn't mean living in isolation. By fostering a sense of community, you can create a supportive and enriching environment for yourself and others. Lifestyle changes. Embracing a simpler way of living. Off-grid living often entails significant lifestyle changes. Embrace a slower pace of life, prioritizing meaningful experiences over material possessions. Reconnect with nature, appreciate the simple things, and find joy in self-sufficiency. Reduce reliance on technology and embrace traditional skills. Learn to cook from scratch, preserve food, and make basic repairs. Engage in outdoor activities, cultivate hobbies, and spend quality time with loved ones. Be prepared for challenges and adapt to unforeseen circumstances. Develop problem-solving skills, resourcefulness, and a positive attitude. Embrace the learning process and celebrate the triumphs of self-reliance. Remember, off-grid living is a journey of personal growth and transformation. By embracing a simpler way of life, you can rediscover what truly matters and create a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. The rewards of independence. Benefits of off-grid living. Off-grid living offers numerous rewards, both tangible and intangible. Reduce your environmental impact by minimizing reliance on fossil fuels and embracing sustainable practices. Enjoy the freedom of living on your own terms, making decisions that align with your values. Experience the satisfaction of self-sufficiency, providing for your own needs through hard work and ingenuity. Connect with nature on a deeper level, appreciating the rhythms of the natural world. Improve your health and well-being through fresh air, physical activity, and a simpler lifestyle. Cultivate resilience, resourcefulness, and a sense of accomplishment. Break free from the constraints of consumerism and find contentment in a life of purpose and meaning. Off-grid living is an adventure that empowers you to live a more authentic and fulfilling life. Remember, the rewards of off-grid living extend far beyond material possessions. It's a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and a deep connection to the natural world. Your off-grid adventure awaits. Congratulations on taking the first step towards your off-grid adventure. This guide has provided you with the essential knowledge to begin your journey. Remember, off-grid living is a continuous learning process. Embrace the challenges, seek out experienced mentors, and never stop exploring. The path to off-grid living is uniquely yours. Define your goals, design your dream, and take action. Every step you take brings you closer to a life of freedom, sustainability, and fulfillment. The wilderness awaits, beckoning you to discover the wonders of off-grid living. Are you ready to answer the call of the wild? Embrace the adventure, embark on your off-grid journey, and create a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. The rewards are boundless, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to venture off the beaten path. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends interested in going off-grid, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.